You can withdraw money using PayPal, PayUpPay, Airweb Money, Perfect Money, and a number of other methods. This website is available for anywhere in the world and is compatible with your laptop, your desktop, your mobile, and tablets. Keep an eye out for the name of the website in this video. But before we get into any details, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Also, leave us a like and a comment down below. We upload a new video on how to make money online every single day, and you can start making things happen with us. Now let's get back to the video. That being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything that you need to know. For evidence of earnings in a single day on full autopilot, I've already made over $250 across a number of websites. Be sure to stay until the end so you don't miss any of them and so you know exactly what to do. With that out of the way, let me show you the first forum for this technique, which, believe it or not, includes Google. So your first move is to go to learndigital.withgoogle.com, or alternatively, you can open this page by going to Google and typing in Google Digital Garage. In any case, the first step should be to go to this website, which I'll go through in greater details below. This is Google's official website, which is available for free. You can get online courses that will teach you everything you need to know about online marketing and business, and these courses are not only free, but you can also get certified when you finish them, as you can see right here. You can see some of the topics covered in these courses right here, such as how websites function and how to develop a good online strategy. To better maximize your time, they teach you how to make long-term social media plans, for example. And if you want to learn more, you can click on more topics right here. When you do so, you will be redirected to this link where you will see that there are over 150 courses available. Some are longer than others, but don't worry, you will not be required to watch any of these. Instead, we'll be using them to get paid. So, return to their page and copy this link. When you visit this website, you will want to go to docs.google.com. Now click here to open a blank folder and then write like I did here. Did you know you can get high quality courses online for free? They are not only open, but they also are certified by experts, and you will receive a certificate upon completion. If you want to begin learning skills that will assist you in reaching your target, click right here to gain free access. So write something close to this, clearly telling whoever is reading that these are high quality free courses that they can take and that they will obtain a certificate after they complete them. Your mission now is to save this to your computer. Simply click on the file to do so. Hover your mouse over the right-hand download button and you'll have to save this as a text or a PDF file. I will download it so that I will show you what you need to do next. Guys, now that you have your paper, proceed to the website that will actually pay us, which is uploadforever.com. This is a website that allows you to not only store different files for free, it will also pay you anytime someone downloads one of your files. And as you would expect, we will upload our document on here in order to be paid, especially since that document contains links to completely free courses. People will be eager to participate, but you should stay tuned because I have a method that I will show you later that I used myself to get thousands of downloads of my file. This website has many advantages that I am certain you can appreciate. First and foremost, it is available for Android. It's right here for you to see. So if you're wondering if this is on your computer, it's worth mentioning that it's actually not available for iOS, but I'm sure that will change soon. Another feature I know you will like about this website is that it's accessible from anywhere in the world, so it will work no matter where you are coming from. Finally, if you click on payment proof, you'll see that people withdraw money from this platform on a regular basis, proving that it's not a scam. Now, the amount of money you can gain is about $7 per 1,000 downloads, which I know isn't much, but the thing is, this site that I will give you will generate thousands upon thousands of visits every single day. So it's almost guaranteed that you will be able to earn a decent amount of money, as I previously mentioned. I have a tool that can help you increase the amount of downloads. But wait, before we continue throughout the steps, I'd like to remind you that we have more videos on this channel about how to make money online. The goal of EarnPal is to teach you how to generate an online income stream into your PayPal accounts. I put a lot of time and effort into these videos to ensure that each one of these methods work. So I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll stay notified. And also don't forget to give us a like and leave a comment down below. Now let's go back to the video. Anyway, the first step is to sign up for a new account, which you can do by clicking the sign up button right here. After you've created and logged into your new account, the next step is to upload your file. To do so, simply click on Uploads on the right. Choose a file, then find and open your document. When you're done, your file will be available to all members of this forum, and they will all be able to download it and generate passive income for you. What you must do now is obtain the link to your file. Simply click on your file and your link will appear right here. And then you can go to the link that I left in the description box below, which is the tool that I basically use to make $250 a day with this method. Now, before you click away from this video, I want to make it clear that you must pay for this website. It is backed by a 365-day money-back guarantee. You can ask for a refund within that year. If that's not enough, they will pay you $250 if it doesn't work out. Not only can this get you thousands upon thousands of clicks on that Upload Forever page, making you a lot of money, but it also has a money-back guarantee and they will refund you if it doesn't work for you as stated. You will basically lose nothing from this investment, and without any experience, you can simply press one button to get free buyer traffic to any link or funnel in 23 seconds flat. Now, the way this really works and gets you traffic to your link, guys, is through the use of WhatsApp. This is what this tool is gonna use, and it hits 2 billion users, as you can see here. And the reason they're using WhatsApp in particular is that over 90% of people are on WhatsApp. Last but not least, you are not required to use this in the conventional sense. If you don't have any money in your wallet right now, doing it for free without using this method is a choice, and you will still be able to get money. And if you haven't already watched our previous videos, we have covered so many methods that will help you get traffic to your links. You can go ahead to our channel and check those videos that have free methods. But for today's video, this method, you will have to pay for this tool. But let me tell you that your investment is safe because they have a 1-year money-back guarantee. And that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it today. And before we leave, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. We've been getting a lot of support from you guys lately, and we really appreciate all the help that you've given us in growing our channel EarnPal. Also, don't forget to press the like button and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Take care.